Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at this. It comes to us from Almoz, and it is the stand for my laptop. It's absolutely amazing. Now they say a lot of people, when your screen is too low, you're doing this all day, you get a lot of tension on your neck, a lot of back pain, shoulder pain, and pain throughout your muscles. Well, guess what? Raising your laptop to a more reasonable level is great, both for your posture, for your neck, for your circulation, and great for your wrist to help prevent carpal tunnels. So this is a tremendous product. Again, it's designed for Almoz, and it adjusts. Look at how short that gets, and then just twist and lock it down, and you can have it pretty tall as well. Now, this is an absolutely amazing product. You can look up close and see that it does have padding on the bottom, just rubber pads, so you can put it on your nice furniture and not have to worry about it. It is adjustable, it is swivel, and it is absolutely amazing. Now, you can also think about this from a perspective of watching a movie. Put your laptop up on it, lock it down, and you can watch a movie at eye level from across the room or wherever you need to watch your movie. So a tremendous product, and a nice thing about it, it is super high quality. I want to hold this up in front of you so you can see it. Okay, this thing is fantastic. Well designed. You have the two lips right here, which do have a rubber padding on them to where you can set your laptop, or think about it, your tablet. You can put pretty much anything on this, and it's going to be absolutely fantastic. And again, easy design. Just tighten down and you're good to go. So it comes to us from Almoz, which has a great reputation as a high-end vendor, but a fantastic price. Available on Amazon, and when you order from Amazon, you get all the guarantees that Amazon has to offer, and they're a great place to buy your products and buy your things from. So yeah, if I want to watch movies, if I want to type on my screen, if I want to really enjoy the use of my laptop, then this is the product that I want. And I'm going to go ahead and just tell you, you need to order this today. If you're looking for a device like this, if you're looking to adjust your visible sight, if you're looking to adjust your screen, and I guess I didn't even mention that it is adjustable up and down. So if you want to put it like this, put your tablet right there, boom. Put a magazine or book, boom. But really designed for laptops and tablets, and you can watch it and adjust it however you want. Easy to swivel. You can see I can put this in front of me and I can turn it for the best visibility for me. If I need to straight at me, if I need to share the screen with somebody, I can do that. And yeah, just quick, free shipping. You're gonna want to order this today. You absolutely will not be disappointed. An absolutely revolutionary invention. Again, the company is Almoz. This is the X10, and it's designed and sold by Almoz. Order today, you won't be disappointed. And look at these pads that are going to protect your laptop, pads that are going to protect your furniture, and this thing is a great, great product that's built to last. You're gonna have this thing for 10 or 20 years. Order today, you won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and adios, amigos.